Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft account creation has been blocked. So here's what you're gonna do. First, if you're using Chrome, try a different browser. So either Mozilla, Opera, or like Edge or whatever else you're using. Now, if that doesn't work, what you want to do is go to three dots, go to settings, go to privacy and security, third-party cookies, click see all site data and permissions, click here filter sites and type in Microsoft. Now you want to find these two, so the live.com and Microsoft.com, and you want to simply click the trash icon and simply click delete. After you deleted all of that, you want to try again the site, and if it doesn't work, what you can do is go on three dots, click on extensions, and then click manage extensions, and you simply turn off whatever extension you have, and then try relaunching the page and see if that helps. So if that doesn't work, what also you can do is use your phone and do it through your phone and use the phone data instead of the home Wi-Fi or internet. So what also you can do on the desktop is click on three dots, go again to settings, go to privacy and security. Now go to security here, and here you can select the DNS provider. You can switch it from OS default to either Google or Cloudflare. So either Google Public or Cloudflare, and then see if that helps the issue. Now, if that still doesn't work, what you can do is click here, view site info. Now click cookies and site data, click manage on-device site data, and you simply delete all of these, like every single one of them, and then simply restart the page. And then you should be able to create a new Microsoft account. And that's it for this video. That's how you fix Microsoft account creation has been blocked. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.